lights are down atop the Daytona Dodge American Auto Pace Car. And we're getting ready to go green flag racing with the first feature of the night. Again, if you're just getting in here, we'll remind you, new start time for qualifying and heat racing, 6 p.m. for the early bird special. So keep that in mind going forward. But you haven't missed a lap of the features as we're getting ready to kick it off with Courtney Breeden and Aaron Foy ahead of this Bomber A field. Daytona Dodge American Auto Pace Car is off. Ed with the flag in hand. We're looking for green. We're 3 and 4 wide already. Green is out. They scramble down towards turn number 1. Dustin Higdon's already passed 4 cars. Smoke, contact. Everybody pointed in the right direction. We stay green. Watch the white 15, Dustin Higdon. He's passed 6 cars already. Looking for more as he's caught CJ Creech. The battle up front between Aaron Foy and Courtney Breeden. Aaron Foy, highlighter, yellow number 7. You can't miss that car. He's got the lead. Courtney Breeden, Charles Friddle, and Brandon Gaither. 1, 2, 3, 4 right now. Oh, Gayton in trouble. 3 wide. Look at Higdon. He's already up past half the field at this point, looking for more. He's looking to break into the top 5 here on lap number 2. Dustin Higdon in the 15 to the outside. Brandon Monroe in a battle with his teammate for 5th. Higdon storming up through the field. So Higdon from last on the field, approximately 15th on the grid to 5th. Aaron Foy with the lead. Charles Friddle stalking him there in the 2nd spot, and it's Courtney Breeden and Brandon Gaither. And an old shotgun Dustin coming from the back of the field. 71 of Bruce Gayton's had a couple of wild moments to start this one. His car struggling in the apex of the corner. That blue 71 struggling here today. Here's Higdon looking for more. Higdon to the inside of Brandon Gaither. Higdon all the way up to 4th to CJ Creech. Battles Brandon Monroe for position farther back. Battle for the lead, heating up. Charles Friddle and Aaron Foy going at it. I think the 71 starting to go sour. Engine might be laying down on the 71. Battle for the lead in turn 3. Charles Friddle, 72 on the bottom. Aaron Foy, 7 on the outside. Foy continues to show the way. Side by side for the lead, side by side for 3rd. Higdon and Breeden working on each other off turn 2. Breeden way to the outside. Higdon down on the inside. Side by side for the lead, Friddle and Foy. Side by side continues for 3rd, Breeden and Higdon. Breeden way up high. Higdon should clear. He's up to 3rd. Just a handful of laps into the race, and Dustin Higdon's up to 3rd as Charles Friddle tries to wrestle the lead away from Aaron Foy. Foy going to fight back on the back straightaway. 72, Charles Friddle, 7, Aaron Foy. Battle for the top spot. Dustin Higdon 3rd. And as these guys battle side by side, Higdon going to try to reel them in. Front half of the field breaking away from the second half of the field. About a straightaway between them. Charles Friddle now clears Aaron Foy on the back straightaway. Brandon Gaither here, who was lights out here a couple of weeks ago, under attack from CJ Creech for the 5th spot. CJ was CJ Screech in the heat race. And now he's going by Sid Vicious. Brandon Gaither side-by-side battle for 5th. Dustin Higdon trying to reel in that top 2 that was able to get away at the drop of the green. Little Brandon Gaither out of shape on turn 2 there. He might have caught the outside concrete. Charles Friddle continues to lead. Aaron Foy 2nd. Dustin Higdon up into 3rd. Charles Friddle back under attack from Aaron Foy down the back straightaway. Halfway home for Charles Friddle in the 72. Ten down, 10 to go for Charles Friddle. You see the front half of the field has broken away from the second half of the field. It'll get interesting here in about 3 or 4 laps when the leader catches traffic. Things will get dicey. 11 laps in. Charles Friddle looking for his first win. Dustin Higdon looking for his 1,752nd career win out here, approximately. Aaron Foy also looking for his first. Oh, smoke out of the 15 and fire underneath the 15. Dustin Higdon's car up in flames and smoke, and it's getting faster. Dustin Higdon is on fire, ladies and gentlemen, and he is fast. He stays in the throttle. We stay green. The 71 of Bruce Gayton, that car is laying down on him. Higdon showing more smoke. The fire appears to have gone out. He stays in it. We stay green. You know Higdon's got to be feeling that, smelling that, sensing that behind the wheel, but he stays in it. Leaders get around Bruce Gayton's 71, who's probably going to bring it pit side this time by. Leaders in heavy traffic. Higdon staying in third. Despite the trailing smoke out of the back of the car, the flame has extinguished itself. Something hot probably got up underneath the hood there and caught on fire for a moment, but it's put itself out and he stays in the throttle. Joe Racine goes a lap down in the 13. A couple of wild moments here. Charles Friddle, your leader, 72 at the start-finish line. Lindsey, Sammy, and Mike Austin set to go a lap down. Higdon continues on despite that car literally being aflame a few laps ago. Still a wisp of smoke trailing out, but at this point, if it'll make it, let her get there. 72 Friddle tiptoeing through traffic. Higdon not able to make up much ground. Lap car staying down on the bottom of the racetrack. Laps winding down for Charles Friddle. Bad luck, Chuck. He's hit about everything but the lottery out here. And at Auburndale, too. And he's got about 4 or 5 car lengths, make it 6 car lengths on the 7 of Aaron Foy. Wild race, but it's been all clean and green. Friddle now under attack once again from Aaron Foy. Aaron Foy drawing a bead on the race leader, Charles Friddle. Foy and Friddle looking for their first career New Smyrna Speedway victories. Next time by, it'll be 2 laps to go. I apologize for no scoreboard tonight, but 2 laps to go this time by. Charles Friddle looking for his first career win. 2 to go for Charles Friddle in the 72. Can Aaron Foy reel him back in? Joe Sunday and James Mathias just ahead. This time by, we'll see the white flag. 2 lap cars ahead of the lead. Right up in front of the leader is Sunday. Here comes Aaron Foy on the bottom. Here we go. White flag going to come out. Charles Friddle and Aaron Foy going to try to settle it. They get by Joe Sunday. Mathias dead ahead in the 28. Then it's clear racetrack for Charles Friddle. Friddle going to go screaming by on the outside. Battle for third. CJ Creech taking it away from Higdon on the back. Final time into 3. And coming off turn number 4, how about this? Wire to wire, clean and green. The win goes to Charles Friddle in the 72. Aaron Foy is second. CJ Creech and Dustin Higdon not going to make it. Right front tire is flat on the 15. What else could happen to him today? My heart, what a race, what a showing and a performance out of this Bomber A division. One of the best races you'll ever see. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. He's a first-time winner here at New Smyrna, Charles Friddle in 72. Soak it all in, man. I'm going to tell you, son, this guy right here has had the worst luck in the world. He's been one of the most generous people. Every now and then he's like, hey, I got some extra money for the Bomber guys today. Charles, you're no longer bad luck Chuck out here. You are a New Smyrna Speedway winner. Congratulations.
Man, I'm on my 10th race, and I'm finally here, man. I got nothing but appreciation for everyone out here as a driver, as a crew. I've had nothing but help and kindness my whole way out here. Steve's helped me, CJ, Aaron. I work on my car at Aaron's house sometimes. Eddie's helped. Everyone's always helped. So this is for all of them for helping me get to this point.
Well, then you show up today and a little curveball thrown at you. It's kind of open rules today, and you're able to outlast everybody. So to be able to go as fast as you can, you don't have to worry about the 24-second rule, and to get this done, you beat them straight up today.
Yeah, I've been dealing with some fuel pump issues and some fuses blowing, so that's what happened to me last race. And it just held together this time. I'm thankful. I got to thank my wife. I got to thank my wife, my kids. Man, they put up with me doing this stuff. It's a love of the sport. So just the fans, you all the time. Speedway videos kicks ass. I learn, watch other people's lines. I don't watch mine. I watch other people so I can learn. I'm out here learning, man. I've never circle tracked before. I'm 40 years old, and this is my first time in less than a year.
Well, and this has got to make all the troubles, all the hits into the wall, all the electrical gremlins, got to make it all worth it.
Sideways twice across that thing on Speedway videos.
Yeah. Well, not today. You're here in Boss Lace Victory Lane. Congratulations.
Hey, man, thanks, Steve.
Do me a favor. Reach in here and grab our 50-50 winning ticket. We'll read that out here in just a second. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Charles Friddle, your Bomber A winner tonight. First career win. And coming home in second, Aaron Foy, you were close, man. Very close. Charles had you beat by just a bit today, but second place, kind of open rules today. You got a fast race car, my friend.
Yeah, heads up to Charlie. He did great, ran a clean race, passed me clean. I was hoping my dad and my uncle would stop him up. You know, we're kind of team cars, but they let us through, and we just had a blast on the open night. You know, I can't complain. I really can't.
Well, you've had a pretty good season out here, and this 7 car keeps getting faster and faster. I think you're one of the next guys we'll be talking to one spot better, but good run for you tonight, Aaron. Anybody you'd like to thank?
Yeah, definitely Tom, Speedway Video, yourself with the Racing with Ryan podcast, Bromley Motorsports, CJ, Steven, Charlie. I mean, pretty much everybody in the Bomber gang. We're just all a good family, and we have a lot of fun doing this.
Well, that was a lot of fun to watch, too. Aaron, thanks for being out here.
All right, thanks, Ryan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron Foy brings it home in second. CJ, you getting a picture? Getting a picture with the winning car. We'll talk to CJ here in just a second. Trucks are getting lined up. CJ, come on over here, man. CJ, I still am trying to figure out how you saved the car in the heat race. I thought for sure you were going to be in the outside wall, and you ended up getting third there in the final couple of laps. Was it kind of wild out there?
Yeah, that heat race really screwed me up. That's probably my worst one yet. Normally I could save it, but that one, Jesus took the wheel on that one.
Yeah, that was wild and didn't even get a caution. Still better than when you're over there in turn 4 wrecking half the field. So definitely not your worst one.
Not my worst one, but if I would have held it, I probably could have got a better finish tonight in the feature. But all in all, it was a good race.
Anybody you'd like to thank tonight?
I got to thank everybody. I'm going to start with Jesse at Jesse's Repairs because I always forget to thank him. And without him, none of this would have been possible. So thank him. Thank all my friends and family that came out and watched. I've got to thank pretty much all the Bomber guys that we all help each other out in some way or another.
Well, CJ, we appreciate you being here. Go get a picture with Charles real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for CJ Creech, bringing it home in third place. And let's give away some money, shall we? Our winning 50-50 ticket.
Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now.